Welcome, I'm Jeannie. I'm here in Southeast Tennessee hunting for one of my favorite organisms. Come with me. Oh, here it is, lichen. Lichen is an amazing example of symbiosis, a close relationship between different organisms. And in the case of lichen, it's such a close relationship. Is it one organism? Are there two? Where does one end and the other begin? One partner is a fungus, which provides the structure of the lichen. The other is a photosynthetic partner. When we think about photosynthesis, we often think of plants, but the photosynthetic partner in a lichen is algae or cyanobacteria. Let's keep looking. Oh, here's some on this tree. Oh, there's some more on a branch on the ground. Here's some on a tree that's fallen and I'm sitting on it. Let's look at this rock. Yep, there's some lichen. Let's see what we find over here. Oh, those are some beautiful ferns. Wait, there's something green on the ground. Let me look more closely at that. Oh, it's moss. Isn't it gorgeous? Oh, wait, what's that? Sporophytes. Oh my gosh, I love those. Okay, wait, back on track, Jeannie. Back on track. Okay. Wait, oh, there's some lichen. I see it there on the ground. Yes. And wait, there's another branch right over there. Gorgeous. There are thousands and thousands of species of lichen, so you could study them for years and never get bored. For now, I want to show you three common lichen forms. Crustose lichens are crust-like and tightly attached to the surface. Foliose lichens are leaf-like with flattened lobes. They have distinct upper and lower surfaces. Fruticose lichens are often branching, shrubby, or hair-like. Sometimes I just go hiking looking for the perfect branch, the one that has all three types. These structures are apothecia, and they are reproductive structures produced by the fungal partner of the lichen. In most lichens, that fungal partner is an ascomycete. When the spores are released and germinate, the resulting fungus must encounter a compatible photosynthetic partner in order to establish a new lichen association. Lichens have more than one way of reproducing or propagating. Sexual reproduction primarily disperses the fungal partner, while vegetative propagation can disperse the partners together. In sexual reproduction, the fungal partner produces spores. These spores contain fungal genetic material, but they do not contain the photosynthetic partner. So after germination, the fungus must acquire a compatible photosynthetic partner to form a new lichen association. Lichens can also propagate vegetatively. In this case, structures contain both fungal tissue and photosynthetic cells. When they disperse, the two partners travel together, giving them a way to establish new lichen growth without the fungus having to find its photosynthetic partner independently. Lichens can also play an important role in ecological succession, particularly in environments where there is little or no soil. I took this picture when I was hiking in East Tennessee. You can see large exposed rocks, and lichens are growing directly on the rock surface. As pioneer organisms, lichens can colonize places that are difficult for many other organisms to inhabit. Lichens contribute to the gradual development of the environment around them. Physical and chemical processes associated with lichen growth can contribute to the breakdown of rock, while dead lichen material adds organic matter. Over time, these processes can contribute to the development of a thin layer of soil and create conditions that allow other organisms to become established. Lichens are therefore part of the gradual process by which a seemingly barren surface can become capable of supporting a more complex biological community. Lichens can tell us something about the air around them. Because they absorb water and nutrients directly from the atmosphere, they can also take up airborne pollutants. That's one reason scientists use lichens as bioindicators of air quality. Different species have different sensitivities to air pollution, so scientists can look at lichen communities to learn about air quality. Lichen are an important part of a food web. White-tailed deer have been documented consuming lichens, although they're only one of many foods in their diet. So this one, while super cute, is probably not looking for lichen, probably just curious. In other parts of the world, some species of deer make much greater use of lichens as a food source. Reindeer and caribou, for example, are found across the Arctic and subarctic regions of North America, Europe, and Asia, where terrestrial lichens can be an important part of their diet, particularly during winter. Lichens also provide for a variety of smaller organisms. Land snails and slugs can graze on lichens. A variety of arthropods, including some mites, springtails, and insect larvae, also feed on lichens. Lichen, amazing and beautiful. I hope you notice it the next time you are out hiking. Remember, you can find amazing organisms in nature wherever you are. And wherever you are, science belongs there. Now, where was that beautiful branch I saw? Let me go find it.